Just because you live in an apartment, that doesn't mean you cannot have a beautiful space. Wherever you live, you can make that a home. Luckily for me, my apartment that I live in comes with a laundry closet instead of a laundry room. But the space been a mess for a long time, so I decided to organize it and declutter this closet. Under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun? My husband is helping me hang this hanging rack that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I also got a shelf from them because I'm not very handy. Once you begun, press my face to the back, all the pillars that stack, and hold up the sun. I was looking for artwork for my laundry closet and I couldn't find any that fit my decor style. So I went off of Pinterest and found this lady. If you subscribe to her website, she have printable image that you can print for free. I downloaded the image to my phone and went to Office Depot and printed up in the size of my canvas. I got the canvas from Ross. Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun? To be free, be away, big breath that you can't fake. Once you begun, press my face to the back, all the pillars that stack, and hold up the sun. And hold up the sun. Thanks to my subscriber for always supporting me. If you are new to my channel and you want to be a part of my YouTube family, I would love to have you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on your bell notifications so you will always be notified when I upload a new video.